Find My helps you locate lost devices and items, share your location, and more. Here's how to use the Find My app on your iPhone and iPad. First, we'll show you how to turn on Find My. And then we'll show you how to share your location with friends and family, locate a lost Apple device, locate and share an item with an AirTag attached, and customize your options in Find My, including sending your location via satellite. When you sign into iCloud with your Apple account on a new device, Find My turns on automatically. And if your AirPods, Apple Watch, or Beats wireless headphones are paired with your iPhone, they're automatically set up too. But you can check to make sure Find My is on in Settings. Tap your name, tap Find My, and tap Find My iPhone or Find My iPad depending on your device. Then, tap to turn on Find My iPhone or Find My iPad if it isn't already on. Now, let's check out all of the features you can use with Find My, starting with sharing your location with friends and family. Start in the People tab of Find My. If anyone is sharing their location with you, their name will appear here. To share your location with someone else, tap the Add button and tap Share My Location. Type in a name or choose a suggested contact. And then tap Send and follow the prompts to share your location with your friend. Find My can also help you find a missing Apple device, like your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, as well as accessories like your AirPods or Beats wireless headphones. If you don't have an Apple device to use Find My, you can sign in to iCloud.com/find on any mobile device or desktop browser. Otherwise, you can use the Find My app on another Apple device that is signed in with your Apple account. In the Devices tab of Find My, there will be a list of all of your devices with Find My enabled, as well as any devices belonging to people in your family sharing group, and a map with their last known locations. Select a device, and swipe up on the handle to view your options. If your device is nearby, powered on, and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular, but you can't find it, you can tap Play Sound, and your misplaced device will chime. Or you can tap Directions, so you can get help locating your device in Apple Maps. If your device is far away or in an unfamiliar location, you can tap Lost Mode and follow the prompts to mark it as lost. This will display your phone number and a message, so that if someone finds your device, they can return it to you. Once you mark a device as lost, you can get a notification when its location becomes available. Think your device is lost for good? You can erase it remotely by tapping Erase this device. In iOS 15 and iPadOS 15 and later, you can continue to use Find My to get help locating your device even after you erase it. If you find it, you can restore your data if you have a backup. With Find My, you can also get help locating an item with an AirTag attached, like your backpack or a bicycle. You can even share its location with friends and family. In the Items tab of Find My, a list of all your AirTags and accessories supported by the Find My network will appear on a map, which shows their last known locations. Select an item and swipe up on the handle to view your options. If your item is nearby but you still can't find it, you can tap Play Sound and it will chime. Or you can tap Find to get help finding the precise location of your item with an AirTag attached. You can share an item with someone so they can view its location in Find My on their device too. Just tap Add Person, tap Continue, and type in a name or choose a suggested contact. The person you share an item with must be signed into their Apple account and use iCloud. Tap Share to send the invitation. Your friend's iPhone, iPad, or Mac must be using iOS 17, iPadOS 17, or macOS Sonoma or later to accept it. If your item is far away or in an unfamiliar location, you can tap Show Contact Info and follow the prompts to mark it as lost and add your contact information, so if someone finds it, they can return it to you. You can also tap Share Item Location and follow the prompts to allow a trusted person or supported airline to view the location of the item for a specified amount of time. In the Find My app, you can also rename your current location, temporarily turn off location sharing, send your location via satellite, and more. In the Me tab of Find My, swipe up on the handle to view your options. You can create a custom label for your current location, and you can temporarily turn off location sharing without having to turn off Find My. If you're outside of cellular and Wi-Fi coverage, you can send your location via satellite to anyone you're already sharing your location with. The ability to send and receive a location via satellite is supported on iPhone 14 and later using iOS 16.1 or later. And that's how to use Find My to get help locating what's most important to you, and stay connected with friends and family too. To learn more about your Apple devices, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel, or click another video to keep watching.